northern Delaware, southeastern Pennsylvania, and southwestern and central New Jersey. When? Until 10 a.m. Friday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions will impact the commute times this morning, this evening, and on Friday morning. Additional details. Snow will overspread the area early this morning. It will likely become heavy at times this morning into early this afternoon. A change to sleet and freezing rain is expected during the afternoon and evening. Light wintry precipitation will likely continue into Friday. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. At 11 a.m. at the Philadelphia International Airport, light sleet and light snow were reported. The temperature was 26 degrees, the dew point 23 degrees, and the relative humidity 88%. The wind was northeast at 13 miles